Here's how to install heated grips on an Indian Challenger. First, remove the outer clamshell cover. I've done it on the right. You remove the brake lever, suspend it carefully so you don't scratch anything. I used a zip tie and a shop rag. Make sure you keep the master cylinder upright so you don't get air bubbles inside your brake lines. And on the back of the housing, you're going to find the screws. One here and one here. Carefully remove those so you can pop this assembly open gently and remove the grip. The throttle slide grip looks like the throttle slide grip on the heated grips, except it will have a wire on it. It goes only one way. You got to have the Indian logo facing towards you where you can read it. You'll feel it when it goes in. There's a hole for the wire so you can plug it in on the back. One wire plugs behind there and the other one plugs into the hanging white one. And then there's a neat little cubby for it right underneath. Tighten this to 96 inch-pounds. Go ahead and put a mark so you can line up your new grip after you glue it so it doesn't get stuck and you have to break your grip and buy new ones. This one and these ones go to about 6 inch-pounds. Just tighten it down gently until you feel it touch and a little tiny bit more. Just sit on your bike and make sure you got your levers where they're supposed to be. Tighten the brake side to 96 inch-pounds. Make sure you tighten the clutch side to 70 inch-pounds. Right inside here, holding in the fake button where you need to put the real button, there are two little T20s Torx screws, one here and one down. The wires on the new switch connect right inside of there. Once you get it done, turn the bike on, push the button, you'll see it lights up, and on your bike command, you will see now it shows heated grip.